Hello viewers, peace be upon you and welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to buy data from Bangladesh Meteorological Department BMD. So let's start. First of all, you have to type here BMD and then you have to click here Bangladesh Meteorological Department's website. After that you have to click here service and then click on here online data purchase. By clicking here you can buy data through online and you don't need to go the BMD office. You can buy data from anywhere in the world through the site. Here you see different types of data: meteorological data, seismic data, astronomical data, agrometeorological data, upper air data, ocean data, weather forecast and weather report. So I want to buy meteorological data, so click here. Time period, you can buy data every 5 years. Here you see every 5 years, every 10 years, 15 years, 30 years. If you buy 5 years, then you will get data from 2021, 2022, 2019, 2018 and 2017, the latest 5 years. If you click here every 10 years, then you will get from 2021 to last 10 years, and if you click here every 30 years, then you will get last 30 years. Okay, I am clicking here for 5 years, last 5 years, and here you see the rates of data. You can see here. Okay, then click here variable data. If you want to buy maximum temperature, then you can select. If you want to buy minimum temperature, you can select. If you want to buy rainfall, then you can select. And different types of data are available here. You can buy anything from here. Okay, you can select only one, you can select two, or you can select all. I'm selecting here 3, and after that you have to click here station. If you want to buy data station wise, then you can select any station from here, or if you want to buy for all stations, then you can select all. Okay, after that you have to click here basis of data. If you want to buy 3 hours data, then you can click here 3 hours data, or if you want to buy daily data, then you can click here, or monthly data on occurrence. You can buy any type of data. Okay, scenario, if you want historical, then historical, or RCP 4.5, then you can click here. Most of researchers buy historical, then you can buy historical, or you can buy any type of data based on your necessity. And after that you can select resolution 20 kilometer or 25 kilometer, and then statistics. If you want raw data, then raw, or mean, average, count, maximum, minimum, standard deviation, any type of data you can buy from here. Okay, I want to select raw data. After that you have to type your name here. If your name is Shahid, then you can type here Shahid, or any name you can type your name. And after that you can input here your office name or organization name, you can type here. And after that you have to insert your mobile number here, and after that you have to input here your email address. After that you have to click here request price. If you click here for price, then you will an admin from climate division will reply you as per the price of the data. I am showing you the reply from BMD. Here you see An email from Technocode core. Customer wants to purchase the weather and climate data, the data type, time period, variable etc mentioned below. Previously I wanted to buy meteorological data for 5 years only for rainfall. That's why here total one type of data. If you want to buy maximum temperature or minimum temperature, then here you would see three type of variable data, and all stations are here. As per your data: basis of data, daily data, historical 25, statistics, raw data, and anything you can buy from Bangladesh Meteorological Department. And after a few minutes you will get another email from BMD or Climate Division. Here you see the meteorological data, latest 5 years 2016 to 2021 is available. Variable rainfall, all BMD observation, 35 stations, and basis of data is daily data. Here you see the price of data is 4,400 and VAT 15%, total cost 5,060. And after that you will get a code, you will get a pin number. Here you see a pin number. You have to use this pin number to buy data, and you have to again open this page and you have to click here pay now. Then you have to click here. You have to insert your email address here, and you have to use your pin number here. Then you have to verify, and if your verification is complete, then you have to send your money. You can send money via Bcash, Rocket, Visa card, Mastercard, and anything you can use from here, IBBL, Rocket. So this is the way how you can buy data from Bangladesh Meteorological Department. Hope this video helped you, and we will meet in another video. Till then, stay healthy and take care. Thank you for watching.